And every one of my dogs like, please watch your fingers, hands and arms away from the edge. Hello, good afternoon and welcome everyone. My name is Pedro, your captain and storyteller for today. As a reminder, please remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, legs inside the vehicle at all times. And please supervise your children, yes, even the big ones, so we don't take any unexpected swimming lessons. And as we head into the mountain monster, the wheel does say well to swallow Geppetto and Pinocchio, but not everyone. We already gave him dinner today, or at least that's what I was told. He's only going to help transport us to a very magical land called Storybook Land. And like all stories that begin with once upon a time, there was a big bad wolf who lived in a simply lake cave to our left. Luckily, the three little piggies lived way across the way, each in their own house. One made of straw, one made of sticks, and one made of 100% molten bricks. And as we round the corner, we come to the quiet, cozy English village where Alice, one golden afternoon, followed that white rabbit down the rabbit hole, all the way down to the strange and curious land of Wonderland. And if that story wasn't your cup of tea, to our right at London Park, where Peter Pan and the Darling children first flew with the help of Tinkerbell and their pixie dust, and on to Neverland they flew, where they never ever had to grow up. And straight ahead is the mysterious city of Agrabah, where a street rat named Aladdin fell in love with a princess named Jasmine, and together through the power of love and a little help from genie, they lived happily ever after in the Sultan's palace on top of the hill. And as we sail further along, we come to the archways, the same archways that Jasmine and Aladdin flew over, sideways, and under on a magic carpet ride to a whole new world. And like all stories that contain love and light, there are also dark places like the Cape of Wonder just up ahead. Rumor has it that whoever breaks the curse and frees the genie will be granted any wishes. Now let's make a wish and find out. Snow White wished to get away from the evil queen when she ran away from upon the cozy cottage to our right. And if you listen carefully, we might even hear the seven dwarfs whistle while they work. Cinderella was to go to the ball, but when the evil stepmother forbade it, locking her in the blue room chateau to our left. Luckily, her fairy godmother granted her wish, but when Cinderella failed to leave on the night, they turned her carriage back into a pumpkin that's still on the bridge to this day. But not everything turned out so bad for Cinderella, as she married a prince who lived happily ever after in the castle way up high. And to our left is the book of flowers that inspired by the 1933 classic Silly Symphony lullaby band. There's morning, and Storybook, even in our trees. That's why trees, plants, flowers aren't real and won't forever stay small. Thanks to enchantment made by our gardener Tinkerbell. Storybook was a favorite of Walt Disney's and continues to inspire new and exciting stories each and every day. Straight ahead to our left is Toad Hall, where our esteemed Bumblebee's Mr. Toad lives. Of course, Mr. Toad is not moment to moment, and he's on a wild card ride that no one in particular. And just down the road is the Kingdom of Fairytale, where Princess Anna and Elsa live, along with all their frozen buddies, all along Kristoff and Sven, and together they discover a very powerful kind of magic, the power of love. And just another snowy Matterhorn is the Alpine Village where Woodcover named Geppetto wished for his bucket Pinocchio to become a real boy, and after facing down a whale of a problem, his wish was granted by the Blue Fairies. A little mermaid named Ariel wished to be a part of our world, so she traded her fins for a pair of wings, following Prince Harry to the castle on our right. Her story begins in the underwater city of Atlantica, where her father, King Triton, and all of her fishing friends live. And as our story comes to a happily ever after, please remember to stay seated with your fingers, hands, and arms as close as yes. And on behalf of all of us here at Disneyland today, we wish you a very magical day.